Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be discussing about, or I'll be in fact not discussing because I don't have any response from your part, but I'll be talking about mathematical logic. Okay, what is meant by logic? I mean, WhatsApp, you guys might have seen many messages or forwarded messages asking you to crack the logic behind math problems, as such some math trick problems. So what is meant by logic? Logic means correct reasoning, okay, and mathematical logic means when you do correct reasoning using mathematical methods, we call it mathematical logic. Okay, so very basic thing in this topic that we should first learn is identifying a mathematical statement. All right, statement. Now there are several type of sentences. First one which you see is assertive, next is interrogative, third is exclamatory, fourth is imperative, and fifth is optative. Assertive means plain sentences. They're also called declarative because they declare a fact or a point, or it asserts an opinion. They are just plain sentences, and that's it. And interrogative means sort of a question. It has a question mark in the end. That means it is a question. Interrogative means some question type sentence. Exclamatory means sort of a surprising, shocking sentences which show surprise or shock, or it has exclamations on it. Imperative means like suggestions or order or request. All such type comes under imperative sentences. And optative means sort of a prayer or curse or wishes. All those type comes under optative. Okay, now our concern is about assertive sentences, because for being a mathematical statement, the first condition is that the sentence should be assertive. That is, it should be declarative. It should declare a point or assert a point or a fact or an opinion, something. Okay, it should have that clarity. Next, it should be either true or false. It cannot be both. It is either true or false. It has a fixed truth value. What is truth value we will learn later. So the definition is, a statement or a mathematical statement is an assertive or declarative sentence which is either true or false. One more thing, we denote a statement using small letter, or denoting in the sense we will name a statement using a small letter, or we can denote it using a small letter for this topic. Now, after knowing what is a statement, next as I said, what we are concerned is truth value. Truth value of statements. Now, as in from the definition only we know this, a statement can either be true or false. It cannot be both. A statement which is true has truth value capital T. We will denote its truth value using capital letter T. That is for our convenience. Okay, throughout this topic or chapter we are going to use these symbols or these notations. Next, a statement which is false has truth value capital F. Again, it's just for convenience we have chosen that notations. Okay, if it is true, then truth value is capital T. If it is false, then truth value is capital F. Next, let's examples. We will see examples of statements also and examples of non-statements also. Okay, first let's go with statements. Sun rises in the east. It asserts a point, it is declaring a fact, right? So it is an assertive sentence. And what is its truth value? It is obviously true, so truth value is capital T. Next, 5 into 3 is 20. Again, it's a very simple sentence, assertive sentence or mathematical sentence we can say. And here also it is having a fixed truth value. It is false, because 5 into 3 is 15. So clearly it's a false statement. So its truth value is capital F. Next, every triangle has 3 sides. Again, it's a declarative sentence with truth value t because it's a true statement. Next, every integer is a natural number. This is also a declarative sentence. What is its truth value? Yes, you are right, it's false because natural number starts with 1, and if you think of 0 which is an integer is not a natural number, and all those negative integers are also not natural. So this is a false statement with truth value f. Next, Delhi is capital of India. Again, it is declaring a point and it is true also. So the truth value is t. So these are the examples of statements. Now let's see a few examples of non-statements. Please give your book. Now it's a request. So this is type of imperative sentence. So this is, these are not statement. Next, can you teach me a few math tricks? It's a question. So again, this is not a statement. What a beautiful place it is. It's like mesmerized seeing something, and it's a type of imperative exclamatory sentence, sorry, not imperative, exclamatory sentence, and it is also having an exclamatory mark at the end. Next, open the window. Now it seems to be like an order. Again, it's not a statement. Let us go for coffee. Now this is like inviting someone for coffee. It's a part of a conversation. So again, it's not a statement. Next, we will see few such examples which seems to be statement at the first look, but later when you analyze its truth value or when you think about its truth value, you conclude that they are actually non-statement. Examples. Open sentences. Let's see what they are. This is the first example, this is second, third, fourth and fifth. Okay, there are 5 examples. Let's discuss about the first. 3x plus 5 is equal to 20. This really looks like a statement, but if you think, now for different values of x, its truth value will change. When x equal to 5, the statement is true. That is 3 into 5 plus 5 is equal to 20. The statement is true only when x equal to 5. For all other values of x, this particular linear equation is false. So its truth value is changing for different values. Again, hence this is an open sentence. It is not a statement. Now next 4 examples, if you see, he is tall. Again, it's changing the truth value from person to person. Next, mathematics is an interesting subject. Again, for all, mathematics is not interesting. So for some it is true and for some it is false. Again, from person to person, the truth value is changing. It is not fixed. Again, it is yellow in color. She is honest. All these 4 examples, the truth values are not fixed. So again, this 4 are of almost same type, and we have no clarity about its truth value. It is sometimes true, it is sometimes false, and such statements or such sentences are not of our interest. So our conclusion is open sentences are not statements. Okay, these type of sentences can create a confusion in you when you try to identify statements from a bunch of sentences, but please be this idea clear that first it should be assertive sentence, and next it should be either true or false. It cannot be both. It cannot take both the values. Whatever, if the conditions are changing or not changing, is always true or it is always false. Okay, then only we can call it as a statement. Otherwise they are not statements. So I am done with this video. In the next video I'll be discussing about the next basic things, that is what are 2 types of statements, that is simple statements and compound statements, and about logical connectives. Okay, so I hope you understood the definition of statement and those examples which I discussed, the exception in which we talked about, open sentences, all that. And thank you for watching the video, and if you like it, please share it with your friends, and please subscribe my channel, and that's it. Bye.